Okay, update. What's going on? What are we doing? Today we're doing South Coast tour. I don't know. Hold up. It's been like a day or two since I last filmed because I've just been editing the past couple days. But today we're doing South Coast tour. We're gonna see waterfalls. We're gonna see black sand beaches. Whole bunch of crazy shit. It's the South Coast tour with Arctic Mike. Shout out to him. We've been driving. He's been a great host. Very funny guy. Currently I couldn't tell you where we are. Just in the middle of absolutely nowhere, driving to, I don't really know where we're going first, but I'll keep y'all updated. I don't know why it's so bright. Hold up. I need to put my thing on the lens so it's not so bright. But yes.
On the rocks, and you should be fine. You will be fine, not should be fine.
Okay.
And I'm also happy to help you with all the pictures. So don't be shy about it.
We made it to the first location.
So we have beautiful blue sky.
Here's the waterfall we're going to, but you'll be able to see it better when we get closer. It's me, my man Mike in the blue, and then 3 girls. And we got on some rain ponchos and other things. On YouTube.
Oh, on YouTube?
Yes. Got on the shoe spikes.
I remember I uploaded one video on YouTube back in the days. Drone video, really beautiful one. And I was literally the only person that ever watched it. this video I have like maybe 7, 8 screenings, something like that, and all of them it's me. I'm not really good in social media.
Definitely getting wet and water everywhere. So if the camera's blurry, I apologize. Okay, time to take some pictures. Well, my hair and my scarf are now soaking wet. That's great. There's a little hobbit hole right there. We're currently about to walk to this other waterfall over here. Here's the view. Very pretty, very, very pretty. Definitely gonna have some fire photos. See you at the other waterfall. Okay, currently it's hailing all over my face and everywhere, but at the second waterfall.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the better ones. You can't go. I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
I have to take some pictures. It's raining or misting, I guess. If you're wondering if my camera's completely wet, the answer is yes. But
Let's do give me loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Calling me royalty.
going now to, I think, another waterfall or another vacation.
Say I'm dangerous 'cause I got the cages. No, I didn't take it. No.
Okay, it's still hailing, very much so. I should probably protect my camera, but look. We're at the second waterfall. Or actually, no, this is the third one.
Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. So never, never, never to the battles won, still kingdom come.
So beautiful. Okay, my camera about to blow out my hand. I'm about to take some pictures now.
Some more time, I can drive them to the restaurant and come back and pick up you in a few minutes.
They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Let's do give me loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty.
Okay, we just came inside to eat some food and get away from the waterfalls. By the way, I just sacrificed my camera equipment to take photos and videos for y'all. It got soaking wet, so let's hope everything still works now. Everybody's food looks good.
All up to fish. I like some lobster. I like not sweet scallops is one of my things. Shrimp, not bad. I can eat it, but it's more like one of those things that it's not really good. They're just telling me that it's good, you know.
That's true.
True experience. It's crazy actually.
Okay, alright.
Can't see anything.
Okay, perfect.
Okay guys, we are at next location. Oh, my head. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'll throw back on my hood. We are at Black Sand Beach. Are so cold right now. I feel like they're on the verge of frostbite. Like they are freezing. There's this cool little cave area. Yes, my hands are so cold. This is probably what y'all have been waiting for. All the waterfalls, this sand beach. Oh, everyone's running away before we get swept away. Because if y'all can't tell, there's like a huge divot all the way across. Like the water, these waves are huge and they're just like crashing in there and then crashing up. Like if you get swept away, there's no coming back from this. And ain't nobody going out in those freezing waters to save you. Also, it's not necessarily black sand. It's more like these black marbly, like black marbles more than like sand that you would like normally think. But out here it actually is like some more sand that you'd think, but here it's more like these like volcanic marbles.
after first winter season he came back home because he decided it's like too difficult to be here. Third one, need to come because he prepared himself much better to this escapade. He collected a lot of friends, supplies, his livestock, and they came on beginning of the springs. They fall in love with the island, and later on they collect a lot of surprises for themselves, but they forgot to collect enough hay for farming animals, and every single piece of livestock passed away after first winter, died. And Floki was angry and mad that he needs to come back to Norway to collect more, and in the art of anger, when he climbed up on the mountain to see how the weather looked like, he just see endless ice and snow, and he called this island Iceland. So Iceland, it's Iceland just because of Floki the raven. And later he came back to Norway to collect more animals, and later came back to Iceland, and he passed away here, lived the rest of his life. But the
Okay guys, now we are out walking to a glacier. My freaking thing that covers my mic just blew off, so I just went running down this mountain to grab it. But
and actually this one here, it's slowly getting over with
yeah, you can see the blue glaciers
and the other one is like
here.
a cold rock. Maybe in a few minutes visibility will change. So
Hopefully my thing doesn't blow off again.
And if you take a look over there, the part of the ice getting cracked down, the huge chunks, they drifting to the point when it's too shallow in the lake, because in front of us there is like 200 feet deep lake, which is creation of the last 12 years. 12 years ago there was no water here. There was like a sand and small tiny creek getting out from below the glacier. So right now that's the set of the iceberg from the last summer. Everything just stopped and got frozen. But little bit of warm weather, and you will see that you're not gonna see, but I promise you that it will be like that. That there is different set of icebergs every few days. Situation changes so often here, and Icelandic scientists already calculated everything will progress that way. We're gonna lose every single piece of ice in 150 years, and it's not just an Icelandic problem because most of those glaciers sealed up volcanic system. So imagine what's gonna happen when all of those volcanic system will lose like millions of tons of coverage. They just will pump out one by one, and there is like ash, toxic ash, gases, CO2 emission to atmosphere. That will even speed up process.
The more you know, guys.
The level of ice.
My lens is freaking fogging up, so I don't know how clear everything is.
Over there, because I don't believe that this is a good idea to step on that ice over there.
Also, he was saying this is where Interstellar was made, this is where Game of Thrones was made, this is where like so many TV shows where they go to like an ice planet. This is where they film it. I mean, look, it makes sense. It looks like you're on another planet.
Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. 'Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky, when I'm on the other side.
Hopefully this isn't too damn shaking. Hopefully you can hear, because my mic got, or like the kind of cushioning thing around my mic got so wet when it blew off, and went flying across all the snow, so hopefully this doesn't sound muffled. Oh, let me move my hand again. On a whole nother planet. Wow. Okay, let me go catch up with the group. My hair is all over my damn face. But the group is leaving me behind, so let me catch up. Y'all are missing out on Mike's valuable information. So am I.
We can see it right now. And that's like 3 hours minimum variation of such a hike. Because without glacier guides, equipment is just deadly danger to walk up.
There is people up there, I don't know if y'all can tell.
I collapse any single day. Very similar situation like here. You see, like just a few days of warm weather and everything starts
Okay,
to crack down.
my other lens was too fogged, so we had to switch to this one, but can't really see anything on this lens. Although maybe I can try to fix the fact that you can't see anything other than me being snowed on.
Because you have a lot of, oxygen in it. But if there is much more compressed with no oxygen in it, there is like very bluish, like very old ice.
Currently waiting for it to stop blowing so hard. One last view. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Okay guys, we're going to the last waterfall of the day.
Owner of Glacier came with the idea that he's gonna charge by entry. Which is right, his property, he could do it. Both of them were so mad that they fight about it. Will be nice photo.
Up, guys. We got the headgear now to go behind the waterfall. About to be headgearing it up. Okay guys, we are leaving behind the waterfall. I don't know what you can see. The water is blowing everywhere behind the waterfall. Not even quite sure what I can see. I lost one of my gloves already, so that's great. Probably blew into the water. Also, okay, let me try to protect my camera. You can just see whatever the GoPro sees, which I'm not quite sure is all of anything. Let me try on my phone. Let me try to not get swept away, actually. Hold up. Well, guys, that was intense. We're like walking on the side of the waterfall, and like there's like a big storm, and the water's like blowing from the waterfall into our faces. Couldn't see shit. I had to mayday alert, turn off everything, stop recording, and focus. I couldn't see nothing. There's just water blowing everywhere in our face, and it's dark as shit. My pants are currently at my kneecaps as they're falling off, like my jeans that I have over top of everything. My jeans are no longer like light brown. They're now dark brown and completely wet. I'm snotting everywhere. My hair is probably soaking wet. Everything's soaking wet. Hopefully my camera survived. I just had to like bundle up and start walking with everything. I'm losing shit. Everybody's waiting on me. Okay, just pulled my pants up. Here's the squad. Currently, somehow we all just made it off the side of that. That was actually some intense ass shit. Like, maybe I'll insert the quick phone clip I had, because I took a video on my phone, so maybe I'll have inserted that, or I'll insert that now, of kind of what was going on. But I like stopped it after like 2 seconds because I couldn't see, and there's just water just blowing everywhere. Didn't really see shit. Okay, never mind, made it from the waterfall, but we made it. We're walking back. Yeah. Light on my head. Hair. Look at my hair, bro. What the hell just happened? I really don't know. But yeah, I finna walk back. We survived. I was actually pretty scary for a second. Like, you definitely could have just slipped and fell down into the freaking river under the waterfall. Like, we literally couldn't see, and we're like walking on like, it's not like it was a pathway. We're like walking like a natural, you know, rocks to get behind it. It's not like it was a carved pathway, perfectly smooth. So that was scary, but actually psych ain't none scared me. We made it. My pants are falling off again. Yeah, see y'all in whenever the next clip is.